Hi everybody, I'm Bonnie. This is Over Noobin, where we're noobing our way through Jeep life, camping adventures, and installations of new products. I am here with the Zarcor CloZure. It's a shade that's going to go on the window of the hatch door. This screen right here is just inconvenient. It's a very hardcore snapping mechanism. Let's get rid of it. To prep the surface, all we're going to do is clean it up with a little bit of Windex. It comes very securely packed. It's actually taped in, and here it is. This is the Zarcor CloZure. It has a tape back because that's how it's going to adhere to the window, and then it has this button in the center, and it just goes. Well, I had it.
I didn't have it.
I think it'll make more sense once it's up on the window.
It didn't make more sense.
I'm learning too. This is what being a noob is all about. Now we're going to do a test fit. The test fit looks good to me. It fits really well. So you can see here it has these little red doodads. That's where the adhesive tape is. I'm gonna wipe that surface down one more time and stick this thing up there. It's a pretty self-explanatory install there.
A self-explanatory install that took me 2 days to figure out how the shade actually works.
These little tapies are hard to get off.
After removing all of the tape backing, I put the shade on the window, and that's where things start to go sideways.
And just push it to make everything adhere. And that's when you realize you did it upside down, probably. That's okay. That's what the Velcro pieces are for.
I don't really think that's what the Velcro pieces are for, but we're gonna keep trying this because somehow this thing is supposed to fit on this window.
This might actually be a disaster. Clearly I've done something wrong, but that's the part of being a noob.
I think it's pretty clear how I was feeling about how this install was going.
I don't quite understand it, but it is supposed to slide up and down, which it does just fine. It just doesn't lock into open. Little spaces back there where it's supposed to slide in and it's not doing it perfectly. I genuinely thought that would be easier than it was. I'm honestly a little disappointed. Let's test out what it looks like on the inside. Now I do have my front windows open, so this isn't a great test, but we turn off all the lights back here. It's pretty efficient. I know I should probably be embarrassed for how long this took me to figure out, but this is what being a noob is all about. It's trying new things, figuring things out, learning for yourself. I have finally figured this thing out. And this actually works just fine. So you can see here, here's the little knobby, and here's the slide. Knob goes up, slide goes over, it's locked in. Slide comes over, and there we go. And now I have natural light. Sometimes if you don't have instructions or the instructions aren't good, you just can't figure stuff out. I feel really good that I finally figured this out. Future Bonnie dropping in here. It is just about sunrise. I pulled up all the shades. I wanted to sneak out here to see how dark that Zarcor shade actually gets. I'm excited. I really hope this works. After wrestling with it, I really hope it works. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, this is great. It's actually really quite dark. Thanks so much for tuning into my channel, sticking around, seeing the updates I'm doing on the Basecamp. Lots of more exciting things coming your way. If you enjoyed what you saw and my struggle, please remember to like, subscribe, links in the description below that can help out the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're out there living your best Jeep life, noobing your way through, I hope, something easier today, and we'll see you next time.